Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Pixel 7a is unlocked and updated, and you have the carrier eSIM QR or activation code ready. Open Settings and tap Network and Internet to start the process now. Do not insert another physical SIM first. Once done, choose Add Carrier, because that launches the eSIM setup flow. Make sure to use Wi-Fi if your mobile data is unreliable. This reduces activation errors, and it lets you scan or enter the activation. You now scan the QR code or enter the activation code manually. Open the camera or choose Enter Code and follow prompts. When the eSIM profile downloads, name it clearly, Work, Personal, or Carrier, and then assign it as your default for calls, texts, or mobile data. Once configured, toggle the profile on. If activation seems delayed, restart the phone and wait up to 10 minutes, because some carriers finalize provisioning server-side before the line becomes active. You finish by verifying service. Check signal bars, place a call, and send a text to confirm full functionality. If there is no service, reset network settings, then restart and re-add the eSIM profile. That often clears provisioning glitches. If problems persist, contact your carrier and give them the Pixel's EID and the activation code so they can check provisioning. In many cases, they repush the profile from their system, and your eSIM activates within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.